So it is 45 degrees out, 14. And this is I guess I agree. All right. So did y'all see Sophia this morning? She apparently lives on the farm, but she definitely doesn't own one. It's sprinkling, drizzling. Okay, guys. Okay. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Okay. Okay. Good morning. So it's so nice outside. I was wondering why my YouTube videos were loading. Watched about some ducks this morning. My goodness. It's so pretty out here. It's cold. It's drizzling. Nice weather. Just might get some cold feet. Some cold hands, toes, fingers. But gotta feed everybody. So this is the box that I went dumpster diving for yesterday to put the quail in. Oh, let me see. It's holding up pretty good. I enjoy it. I like it. Oh, let me leave him alone. He's freaking out. All right, we have 4 lively kicking. Everybody, 3, 1. Let's see. I put that there for them last night because they didn't go over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everybody's good. Let me see what's going on over here. Got a rooster yesterday too. He's buried in that one, so we're gonna. Quail are doing pretty good, pretty well. Whoa, that's a big one. Goodness, he looks swole. These are big. Oh, no eggs. Maybe water and food again. Drinking this water? That water like it's still the same. I need to finish this today. I'm just gonna put a wall right here and a roof on it. And separate the chickens at the top and the duck at the bottom. That's the wall. Anyway, let me open up everybody. Let them out, feed them, see what they gonna get. Oh, let's see how much rain we got last night. This bucket was left here. Oh, I can't exactly say I didn't leave anything in there. All right. Let's feed everybody. Let's feed everybody. Oh, goodness. All right, they're good. All right, they went up. All right, they did pretty good. I need to come fix this door or give them another one. I don't really like this door. This sliding door, I don't. But so I might just give them another one with a hinge and a latch. Everybody. 3 big girls. Got 2 more big girls. There they go. 1 more Silky. 2 Silkies come out. Nope. 1 Silky. There she is. Where's the rooster? Oh, there he is. I already got 2 eggs yesterday. I guess about 2 eggs and a quail egg. from the quail I bought. All right, so that's that. Where's the duck? The duck came out, honey. These little ones need to come on out. I don't know what their deal is. Feed everybody. I gave everybody. Something wrong. Ain't nothing wrong. Oh no, they just drink a lot of water. Let me open up this. Stay all in the courtyard waiting on me. I'm like, what is that? That's that tree that turns red. Oh, that sun feels great. Sun feels great. What was I doing? I was opening up these coops. Whoa, that was a little one. And these, let me get on this side, see if he go. See he gonna come out. Oh, she came out from downstairs. There go two little ones. All right, little ones, the youngest. All right, come on, jump out. Oh, she jumped across. She always go across there. One always go across there. So I need to put the, what is that? I don't know what that is, but I need to put the, get the litter in there, these boards up for deep litter. I need to do the same thing over here. Let me see. They did a sunrise egg. Oh. Get them. They're a big girl. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna feed. I walk around and feed everybody in the coop. Oh, they came out. Close this coop. Nobody going in there. Ain't nobody laying no eggs right now. They need to come out. But they still in there. Can't you close that coop yet? But, oh, left these guys in there. I put her back in there, see if she incorporated with them. We'll see. Now I gotta get the other rooster out of there, see how everybody do. But for now, let's feed everybody. So, I sprinkle. Everybody get exercise. I walk around my coop. I look at it. Put something in there. What that duck? Give him some dipping beak water. I'm glad these little ones and that quail. Yeah. Let's see what we have. Ooh, look at the silky going out there. Duck holds his own though. Oh, they are waiting on me. Lord, they waiting on me to open this. What are y'all doing in there? Why y'all didn't come out the door? They waiting. Why y'all didn't come out the window? Look at that rock. Yeah, because these are socialites. I ain't messing with your girls. Well, you gonna run me over? All right, everybody out here. Did those teenagers get out of there? They did. All right, so we closing up coops right now. Nobody going nowhere. Nobody going in nowhere. Where was I at? Let me come around here. Yeah, the back of the coop. I guess I can't put any under that. I don't want to walk on it. But yeah, we have ones that come back here, hang out. So, yeah. Just found it. Yep, yo guys, that is a quail in there that is not moving. He's not alive. It's the stress of moving yesterday. well. He was very lethargic when I put him in there last night. So he didn't make it. So I'll go get some more. Yeah, just learn. So I talked to the breeder, and all is well. But we do have one that is up and going. I think it's a boy. So there's Daddy, y'all. Daddy, good job, Daddy. I don't even know if he did, I don't know if he even doing anything. He just giving her a back massage. There you go. I don't know. But, oh, thank you. I forgot I was feeding it. So I'm going to turn this into a water pond. I'm going to put some plastic in here and let it just be some water. And it probably just be some sitting water for a while, but I'm gonna leave it as water. Look at all this matte black gold down there. All right, so the chickens are done. That's the rooster, the silky rooster I got yesterday. See what Daddy say. Daddy see him. All right, let me do the party. Oh, there's the silky rooster. He's new, and I got the quail yesterday. One didn't make it. Where's the duck? All right, you know they need water to make it happen. So they ain't messing with the rooster. But they, all right. All right, guys, that's for today. Look how beautiful it is. This ain't rated over. So beautiful. Just a little cold, a little nippy for my fingers. Just a little nippy for my fingers. That white one, y'all, I'm telling you, he'll be the first one I eat. I need to make sure that is the white one. All white one. The all white one. He'll be the first one I eat. I'm telling you, I'm going to learn the system on him, y'all. I'm going to learn the system on him. That one, or that hen, is annoying. She bothers everybody. Let's see. Where's the silky rooster? There's the silky rooster. Tiger. But who's that? Everybody will fit in a moment. The rooster, the black and white rooster. Let's go do it. Okay, they just trying to find their way. Let me give this duck some water. All right, guys. Let me just give him more water. I just put out more water just in different places for him to dip. Yep, look like he enjoyed both of these. They full of mud. I'm glad he's going over there. So I think that's gonna be the silky. Yeah. Anyway, everything is still good. Nothing blew away like before. That makeshift home there that I threw together last night after dark. It was so dark last night. But I put this box and this tote there with some fresh hay and everything because they weren't in the coop. So they were hanging out here. So I put that for the duck in the 6. But anyway, I want to go get him some more. And this is his enclosure. So I'm going to set this all up for him today, hopefully. And I might go get some more today. I might go get 3 because I want 5, but yeah. Anyway, at the end of the day, I'll pick you guys up in the morning. So beautiful. This is so everybody got enough space. Everybody ate. Homestead is good. Courtyard is quiet. All right, pick you guys up.